also amazing. It's very embarrassing. Yeah, on the 9th of May 2025. And Austria is
Asuntoskepti Jokikatu 25.
all got on 25. Says wait, it also was like I say here. Just like a sick, we have to try separately later.
Yeah.
It was built in 1973 by ValmetSchlieren, and it was built 34 to 28 with just 4 parts. Yes, these Porvoos are 300%. Nobody.
Yeah.
I think the machine is not in the best possible shape.
Yeah. Inspirationspaikki väistytään meitä eteenpäin.
I love the sounds and the smell here.
Same.
That's it. Thanks so much. Just take a seat.
Yeah.
Just take a seat.
Yeah. And Jokikatu 23. ABC also have similar autos. That's